Hey guys, welcome back to this video. Today I'm gonna talk a little bit about the Hivemapper dashcam project. I've been driving with Hivemapper dashcam for about a year, and I've done roughly 26,000 kilometers. So I would say that I am quite the candidate to be talking about this. I have a lot of experience in this. So the Hivemapper project is a mapping network that utilizes dashcam footage from contributors like me and potentially you to ensure that they can build a map of our world, kind of like imagine Google Street View that has a map of basically the whole world's street. It's a quite simple concept. You use map footage from your daily drives, and Hivemapper is then able to construct this map based upon the images that you upload. This is all while you go on your day, and it's extremely easy to set up and run, and you just have webcam in your or dash cam in your car pointing outwards or to the side depending on your configuration, and then you just upload with your phone. Super interesting and really simple. So you might be wondering, why would you want to contribute to something like this? Well, the purpose of Hivemapper is two things. On one hand, it's aiming to create a very accurate and very up-to-date map. Google Street View is often not updated for multiple years at a time, whereas Hivemapper is trying to get updates more frequently and more reliably than, for example, traditional mapping services, Google. And on the other hand, this project aims an opportunity for you to earn money while you're on the road. So if you drive a lot for work or in your spare time or whatever, then this can be an opportunity to offset some of that cost or even make some money back while you're doing it. So who is mappers? What is a mapper? A mapper is just a driver who has a car and a truck or a van, something like this. It's like you and me. And they buy this dash cam, they put it up in their car, and the footage is captured. You just need to plug in the power, and then the footage is captured. And then you can upload it with a smartphone, Android or iOS. And then you're contributing to this project on a day-to-day basis. And then, of course, there's a payout model. The payout model is, I think, one of the exciting aspects of the Hivemapper dashcam project. As a mapper, you are paid for each new kilometer you're driving, but you don't get the same amount of reward depending on where you drive. So the payout varies a lot depending on demand and uniqueness of the area that you're mapping. For example, if you're mapping a very remote area, you might be the first one to map it, and that means that you get a full payout. And then there is regions where you get paid more, like big cities, for example, and then there's something called like unique kilometers. So if you're the first one to map, you also get a bonus on top of your full payout. And then there's also something called bursts, which means that if the Hivemapper company has a place somewhere that they really want to get mapped, then they'll place a burst there, and you can go collect that burst, and then you get a bonus. There's also the whole fleet aspect, where you can set up a fleet, so that if you purchase the camera, you can set it up at some friend or someone you know, or someone you would like to get going in this project, and then you give them the camera and they will upload the images and they get a cut, and then you define this cut, which I've just started experimenting with, which will be interesting. And if you want to buy a camera, I'll leave a link in the description for a discount code, just for your info. Also, I'm going to try to add some footage on the screen to show off some camera setup and to basically show some sped up version of how the camera is uploading, which should give you an idea of how it looks. So as you can see on the screen right now, the numbers to the left is the numbers that's of images that is on the camera. The numbers in the middle is the number of images that has been transferred to your phone. And the number to the right is the amount of images that has currently been uploaded for this day. So my experience with hype mapping, for context, you get a payout every Thursday, so every week. They sum up what you've been driving the past week, and then you're paid. So you can keep tabs on how much you're getting paid every week, which is really nice. So for now, I'm looking forward to every Thursday, because guess what? Hivemapper payout is coming, which is great. But for my instance, I've been driving for roughly 26,000 kilometers, which is a lot, and I've gotten quite a big payout. So over the year, I've received about 43,000 honey tokens. Now, I haven't really been cashing that much out, and even if you were to cash something or exchange, then the price can vary. So if you look at the dollar price now, then it looks like I've made a lot, but of course, if you did exchange like 1 year ago, then it was not nearly as much. So you cannot count on it like that, but of course, that's still value, and it can be quite beneficial, at least if you drive a lot. Now, at the time of making this video, there's a huge back order of Hivemapper dash cams. This is because the demand has gone way high, the token price has gone much higher, and there's just a lot of hype and attention around this project. The coin has gotten listed on Coinbase, and a lot of people believe in the utility of this product. So the camera is on back order. So please don't buy one because of FOMO. Buy one because you drive a lot and you have calculated that you might be able to earn quite a bit of money on this. And be warned, it's a crypto project, so anything can happen. No one knows, it's magic. Price can go up, price can go down, so it might not be worth anything tomorrow. We'll see. But yeah, if you want to try to support the project, try to get earning done, get your hands on a camera. Don't buy it from expensive scalpers on eBay. It's not going to be worth it. But yeah, definitely give it a go if you like to.